Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today is the first day of the summer that I actually got to wash the RS. Now, a lot of you guys are probably going to recognize my car from my protective film review. This stuff is on the front bumper and the whole front end of the car, basically. A little bit on the roof. Now, when I had that stuff installed, obviously I had a lot of you guys looking at it, at the video, commenting on it, and I thought it would be nice to give you guys a bit of an update after the first bath, after the winter, just to see how the paint is looking and where the car is sitting right now before I start, fixing the damage to the paint. It is daily driven, so I do have some dents and dings and whatever, and stone chips, that sort of thing. So before I actually start working on this car again, I want to give you guys kind of a baseline of how bad the car really looks right now. So I'm going to give you guys a brief little tour of some of the major issues that I have with the car after daily driving it for so long. Alright, so as you guys can see, the inside of the engine bay, I've just washed this. It's really clean. I just used a wet cloth with some soap. So this was completely covered in dirt before, but it looks pretty decent right now. Just did a quick wash of everything just to kind of clean up the engine bay. So as you guys can kind of see right here, there's still a little bit of dirt. It's not perfect, but I wanted to clean it up just a little bit so it was a little bit more presentable. And now I'm going to show you guys the really, really bad stuff. So as you guys will remember from the review video that I made, this is the protective film solution that was put on the car. And as you guys can see, there is still a lot of dirt underneath there. I don't think it's ever going to come out. So I still have that problem on the line of the roof, or the hood. And still also have the issue down here. Some spots right here along these edges that weren't cut very well. I've got some stone chips here, as you guys can probably see. A few stone chips here and there. The film, these are stone chips in the film only, so it did do its job for that. However, hopefully you guys can see this. So these are the sediments from the road or railway tracks. The entire section here, I don't know if you guys are actually be able to see it, but literally this entire section right here is completely covered, unfortunately. And the back of the car, I'm gonna see if I can remember where the worst of it was. But again, some more of that sediment. This is really bad in through here on the rear bumper. A lot of the sediment all along here. And unfortunately, I do have a nice little scratch on the hatch. Hopefully this will focus in for you guys. Right there. Two little nicks. I think it was probably from the snow brush that I used to clean the car. And there was another nick somewhere. I think right here. That's the other one. But other than that, I mean, again, it may not look as bad just from me showing you guys, but I'm going to tell you right now, the car from about 4 or 5 feet away looks absolutely gorgeous. It looks brand spanking new, aside from the rims. I still need to clean the rims thoroughly, so I'm probably going to end up taking those off just to clean those up. But in terms of what I've done to the car, aside from the PPF, the protective film, I did put the mud flaps on, the Rally ones from Rock Blocks, I believe was the company. And other than that, the car is completely stock. So it's still got a little bit more time on warranty. And yeah, that is just my quick little update on the RS. And hopefully you guys are interested in seeing more of this car, because I'm planning on doing a few more videos, maybe turn it into a little bit of a mini series. So if you guys like this type of thing, you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave some comments down below of what you guys would like to see me talking about for my car. And if you guys want to get notified of when those videos are posted, be sure to subscribe so that you get notified, and I will catch you guys in the next one.